Warning, your AI education is probably gathering digital dust. Let's be honest, you've bought the courses, you've attended the webinars, you've saved the PDFs into folders you haven't opened since last week, and now you feel that heavy weight in your chest, the overwhelm. You know the feeling. You remember hearing a killer strategy in a training last month, but you can't remember if it was in Module 2 or Module 4. You need that one specific GPT link, but digging for it feels like searching for a needle in a digital haystack. So you don't use it, and the opportunity slips away. And that person? That's me.
안녕하세요. Tudo bem com você?
This is my voice. I speak Korean, I speak Portuguese, I don't speak English, so I used an AI-generated voice. But I speak clarity, and that's what this channel is about. I've collected courses, PDFs, webinars, and still felt lost. I know exactly what it's like to drown in information and starve for direction. Here's the truth. You don't need more information. You need focus. Because collecting courses isn't learning, it's hoarding. And hoarding doesn't move your career forward. This channel is different. Here, we cut through the noise. We learn AI without fear, without overwhelm, and with kindness. We take one step at a time, and we turn knowledge into action. So, here's my challenge to you. Stop drowning in information. Start swimming in results. Pick one project, apply one tool, take one step. And if this message hit you, subscribe right now. Join me on this journey. Together, we'll stop collecting and start creating. Because AI is not about having more, it's about doing more. With heart, with clarity, and with courage.